America. Welcome back, everybody. It's about 6:30 in the morning and I am heading out to Cars and Coffee in Sarasota, and I'm taking you along with me. So last time I did this, I actually took the Fox Body Mustang, but this time I'm taking the Z06. So without further ado, let's hit the road. Actually have the car in stealth mode this morning. I didn't realize it when I started it up. So I guess I am giving my neighbors a little bit of a break this morning. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so last time we went to this, if you guys didn't watch the video, we took the Fox Body, and it's always a great turnout. This is the Cars and Coffee at the UTC in Sarasota, and typically there's around 900 to 1,000 cars that show up, and it's everything from classics to modern exotics, modern muscle, the whole 9 yards. So we'll get some footage of a lot of cool cars. You guys will see a lot of nice rides. Guy just stopped in front of me. He left his coffee on top of his car. Wake up! I can't say I haven't did that before. In fact, I got my coffee right here in my hand. All right, let's do this. Wake those neighbors up. It's the sound of America. We're finally getting here. Look at this place is beautiful. Well, the traffic isn't backed up to University, so we got here at a pretty good time. And this is the part where we wait. So let's see if we can get a spot at Corvette Row and get in here. There we go. Nope, damn it. All the Corvette spots are taken. Oh, there's one right over here. Next to the blue vet. Oh, it looks like about a 91 vet. So nice. I think it's so clean. All right, folks, here we are. Let's get out and let's go look around a little bit. Once again, an amazing turnout that's happening here. I did get my spot in Corvette Row, so let's go take a walk around and look at some of the cool rides that are here and what's coming in right now. you guys can see, just a ton of great looking cars coming in. So let's take a break from that and go walk around the show for a little bit. So I have been here for over an hour and a half, and I still have not walked the entire show. So I guess I'm gonna keep walking around. Let's look at some more stuff. So the best part of any car show or car meet is when the cars are leaving, because you can hear them, you can see them. It's like rolling art. So let's check it out. folks, so that's a wrap. Until next time, make sure you guys give me a subscribe down there and follow all the videos, and I'll see you later.